Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this impaled hack on Dress to Impress. So just wear like this kind of bloody outfit, and for the hack we are just going to be using this apple. Select raw onto the core, and I'm just going to color it red for both. We're going to go to the dressing room and we're going to get the bear. I'm going to color it red as well. And we're going to toggle it to the second toggle. Once you're done, grab this code item. Where is it? Oh my god. Then select the bounce section and bounce toggle and turn off the axe. Color it whatever color you choose. And then you're just going to go to do this mermaid pose, the lagoon. That is how you can create the impaled hack on Dress to Impress. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.